Hello, welcome to my house and welcome to my channel. I'm Laura Cepeda and today I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful spider web blouse. Today I'm going to give you all my secrets and tips on how you can make it in the easiest way. I seen that you love the blouse that I made for this coming Halloween. Well, you won't believe how easy this blouse it is. It's easier. I join with these cords in the shoulders and look at the back. You are going to make it in different sizes if you want, and I'm sure that this will be perfect for this Halloween. Let's start. For this blouse we are going to need two pieces, one for the back and one for the front. We are going to need 100 grams of this material that is between light and fine material. I will make it in white. This blouse will be a medium size, but I think it's also perfect for a small size. We are going to need the hook of number 3.5 millimeters. Well, we are going to start making first 5 chains. 2, 3, 4, and 5. We are going to close in circle. We are going to slip one. Then we will go up with 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. Then yarn over twice and we will make a triple double crochet like this. We are going to make them all of them inside, and like this one we are going to make 18 triple double crochet. So again, yarn over twice, insert the hook in the center, yarn over, take two, and the last two, yarn over twice. Again, let's make it together so you can perfectly see how are the triple double crochet. And also the first chains of the beginning, the first 4 chains that we made, remember, will also count as one triple double crochet. So start counting from there. So well, like this we are going to continue the whole row. I want to continue making more triple double crochet so you can see how it is. So please count, remember that at the end we must have 18. And 18. Okay, so this will be the center of our blouse. At the end we are going to slip one to close and we will have the beginning. Remember, what we make in this side, we are going to make it in the other side. For the back, we are going to make 2 pieces. So here we are making the front. Well, we will go up with 5 chains. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then, while we continue making more rows, we are going to increase the number of chains that we will make between triple double crochet. In this case, first we are going to make 2 chains between triple double crochet, and then next to it a triple double crochet, then 2 chains, then a triple double crochet without skipping any space, you see. Well, and at the end we are going to have 18 triple double crochet. Okay, it's important that you observe how you crochet. If you feel that you are making the stitch too tight, I suggest that you change the number of your hook for a bigger number, or if you don't have one, well, you can make one extra chain, okay, between triple double crochets, right? Because with this we will avoid that we made the spoon effect. Okay, so please check and observe how you crochet because we all crochet different. Okay, so it's not a rule what I'd say. You check, you observe how you crochet, and the more important thing is that your project at the end looks beautiful. And also I think that a secret is that you relax and let the stitch flow. Okay, well, so like this is how we are going to continue until we finish. We are going to continue making 18 triple double crochet with the chains between. So see you at the end. Well, at the end of the row, here we are making the last one. We are going to finish with 2 chains. So here we have 18. Remember to count and not skip any space. So we will finish with 2 chains and we are going to slip 1 to close, and we have something like this. Please until here check that you don't have the spoon effect. If not, please, if you have, please correct. Well, we will go up with 5 chains, and now remember that we made 2 chains. Well, in this row we are going to make 4 chains between extended or triple double crochet. Okay, so again make 4 chains, turn over twice, and over the last triple double crochet right there we will insert the hook and make the next triple double crochet. At the end we are going to have 18 triple double crochet too. So remember, between double crochets we are going to make 4 chains. So again, let's make it together. 4 chains, yarn over twice, insert your hook, take 2, 2, 2, and the last 2. Again, make 4 chains, and like this is how we are going to continue. Remember to crochet this part a little bit loose. Okay, I will continue with you so you can see exactly how it is and everything is more clear. Okay, so here we are in the 3rd row, alright? And here we are making 4 chains between double crochets. Well, in the next row we are going to make 6 chains between double crochets, then 8, then 10 chains until we get the white of our front of the person that you want to make this blouse for. Here I already get ahead. And remember that we are going to make 2 pieces like this one. So remember that we started with 18 double crochets. Then we made 2 chains between and 1 double crochet over double crochet. Then 4 chains, 6, 8, 10, 12, and I finish with 14 chains. And remember that I did continue making triple double crochet. I suggest that while you are making this, please pay attention and don't talk to anyone, because I sometimes lose the counting. And this will be the front of my blouse. So this is the white of the person that I want to make this blouse for. So I'm making this for my daughter. She already tried on and it's perfect for the front. We are going to make the same number of rows. In this case I made 8 rows for the back too. As you could see, it's very simple. It doesn't have corners or anything. It's just continue all around. And well, I already get ahead. I made the same number of rows and everything for the back. This is the wrong side and this is the right side. Look, this looks different, right? So this is the wrong side, so they have to face to each other. So we are going to join it like this. I made a drawing so you can see how it is. I made 8 rows and I started with 18 triple double crochet and I increased 2 chains each 2 rows. So I made 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and I finished with 14. This is for a medium size. And don't be afraid of the spaces, the stitches like this. Remember that the spider webs are like this. So we are trying to look like, so it's perfect. And in these small cords that we have here in the shoulders and in the sides are to join. If you want you can sew, but to me it's easier if we make these cords to adjust how and where we want it to be. So I will show you how. Well, to make the cord we are going to make 90 chains. Okay, we are going to make them a little bit loose. Here I already finished this one, so approximately, if we use our hands, approximately we will have something like this. Right now I can give you the centimeters, but something like this. Okay, we are going to make this cord for the shoulders, so we are going to make two and two more for the sides. Once we have the number of chains that we need, we are going to come back and slip one like this. We are going to create the cord and that looks like rounded cord, right? So like this is how we are going to continue making all the cords, and we will use them to join the sides and the shoulders too. As I told you, you can sew them if you want, or you can use a brush or a bottom too. Well, when we finish to make the cords, we are going to iron the blouse using a protection under. Remember that we have to extend the blouse how we want it to be, because the first time that we iron the blouse is the most important, because once we iron it will stay like this forever, so the stitch will look like this forever. So try to extend, use some pins so the stitch can move. But well, now let's see how it looks. Well, I hope that you will enjoy making this blouse with me in this coming Halloween. My daughter will wear this blouse and I will wear the blouse that I showed you in the last video. If you miss it, here I will share the link in the description box below, and also you can make the gloves. So here also in the description box below, I will share the link so you can complete this outfit for this coming Halloween. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.